If you're trying to pause a download on Epic Games, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether your internet is slowing down, you need to free up bandwidth for something else, or you just want to stop a game update temporarily, pausing downloads in the Epic Games Launcher is very simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the launcher is open, look for the download section. Depending on your layout, you may also be able to find the game directly in your library. Epic makes it pretty straightforward, but the pause option can be easy to miss if you're not sure where to look. If you're already downloading a game, go to the download progress area. You should see the game listed there with a progress bar showing how far the download has gone. Right next to that progress bar, you'll see the pause button, which looks like two vertical lines. That is the control you need. Simply click the pause button once and the download will stop immediately. The launcher will keep your progress saved, so you can come back later and continue from where you left off. This is especially useful if you want to prevent interruptions, manage your network usage, or pause a large download while doing something else on your computer. If you don't see the download in the download section, check your library and find the specific game that is currently downloading. Open that game's download panel and you should still see the same pause icon beside the progress bar. Click it and the download will pause just the same. That's really all there is to it. In Epic Games, pausing a download only takes one click once you're in the right section. To resume later, just return to the same place and click the play or resume option when you're ready. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more simple gaming tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.